Hey, so if you're watching this, you're probably a little bit unsure about how this works. So let me take a second, quickly fill you in. My name is Justice Soto, and I know I look young, but I've personally met with over 500 homeowners at this point and helped 100 of them sell their property. And so I've talked to landlords that are tired of renting, families with inherited homes, happy siblings, unhappy siblings, homeowners going through financial challenges, tax issues, issues with the city, whether that's, unpermitted additions or code violations. And here's the thing, what we do is different from other home buyers or real estate agents. And so I want to go over what we do, how it works, why we all do it, and cover some frequently asked questions towards the end. So our average closing is 17 days, sometimes as fast as 3 to 5 days. If you need time after closing, you can stay in your home for up to 3 months. We'll clear title issues, even if there's unexpected ones, and you'll have a 24/7 concierge keeping you in the loop the entire time. And with us, what you see is what you get. So no hidden fees, no surprises. We come in person to your property and do our inspections during our visits. What this means for you is that there's no changes. And here's the thing, all legitimate home buyers, they understand their costs and they should be able to do the same thing and make you a 0-day, no inspection offer. And so if someone makes you an offer, but does not have it in writing, or you read in the agreement that there's any kind of inspection period or low earnest money deposit, you should probably run the other way, because that is not a home buyer. That's a wholesaler. And a wholesaler is somebody who is trying to sell that contract to someone else before closing, and they don't have the ability to deliver on the number they're telling you. I've seen it happen again and again. So now here are some frequently asked questions I get literally all the time. The first one is, how much can you offer me? And it's a great question, and it depends. The first thing I'll say to this is, if your goal is to get absolute tip-top dollar, no matter how much time, energy, or effort you have to put into the property, I will be the first person to say to you, you're probably better off, finding the contractors, doing the repairs to make sure it qualifies for a loan and that buyer's wanted, and then, listening with an agent, doing the showings for 3-4 months, accepting an offer with a traditional buyer, financing, that whole deal, and then waiting the 30-60 days and hope it doesn't fall through. At the end of the day, if you go through all that, you might get more money. I'm gonna be the first person to tell you that. But if you want an offer that you can trust and we can stick to, and you can skip all that, what we do is we'll look in the area, we'll go ahead and figure out what similar homes in your area are selling for, we'll subtract the repair costs, holding costs, obviously factor in a margin, and then give you a number that closes on your time frame with everything that I just covered cash. Here's the thing that people don't talk about. If a company makes you an offer on your property without actually seeing it, that's like a mechanic quoting to fix your car without ever looking under the hood. Don't fall for that. It's just a wholesaler who can't actually close on your home, and they're gonna waste a lot of your time. Here's the next question I get, and that's, are there any other fees? With us, there's not a single one. There's no closing costs, there's no convenience fees, there's no repairs that get factored and subtracted out of the number. Whatever we agree on is exactly what you walk away with. The next question that I get is, how long are your offers good for? Great question. So the offer we make is based on the market the day we are out at the property. And due to rising insurance costs, interest rates, overall uncertainty, the market can change. So our goal is ideally get you enough information to make some kind of yes or no decision on what we come back with while we're out there. And look, if that ends up being a no, that's perfectly fine. We'll do our best to still point you in the right direction. No hard feelings either way. Next is, how do I know it's not a scam? Really great question. All you can do is you can check out our over 100 5-star Google reviews. You could look at our BBB rating and watch some of the video testimonials from people just like you. And at the end of the day, look, everything that we do is totally no obligation. So you really have nothing to lose by seeing what we can do for you, because if it doesn't work, that's totally fine. And so my name's Justice Soto. I appreciate the opportunity to get this done for you, make this easy, make this stress-free, and I look forward to meeting with you and talking through your options soon.